everyone, so today I'm doing my college room tour. I didn't think this really needed much of an intro. You know, just my room. I'm really proud of how it turned out. I put a lot of work into making it a cozy space for me to study and a space where I felt calm and just a nice place for me to hang out while I was in college. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so starting at the door, I just have this monogram. It's a wooden monogram I got off of Etsy, I want to say. And then I spray painted it gold. So then we're just gonna go on into my room. And is it gonna focus? Maybe. There we go. Alright, so here's what you see when you walk into my room. So the first thing you see on the left is this bookcase. This is from Target. I'll put the link down below. So the first thing I have up here is just a picture of me and one of my best friends, and next to it I actually normally keep my camera just because it's, I don't know, I think it's pretty. It's kind of cute to display up here, and then I always know where it is. I know it's safe. And yeah, so right down there I have this little pot from IKEA and this fake plant from Michaels, my JBL 3 speaker, which I love. 100% recommend this. I love her to death. Right down below, I have this little sign. I think I got it from TJ Maxx, I want to say. And then right next to it, I have my sunglasses in this little Muji 2-drawer little small case. Then down below, I just have this purse from Michael Kors, a little plant from Target, and this little sign is also from TJ Maxx, and I think it lights up, but I just never put the batteries in. And then on the bottom shelf, I have my baby, my sewing machine, my Singer sewing machine. If you guys don't know, I'm a fashion merchandising and design major, so I use her a lot. I design a lot of stuff. Right next to the bookcase, if you just inch over a little bit, I have this little poster I got from Etsy. I'll link it on Etsy. I got it printed out at FedEx Kinko's actually, super cheap, and I put it in this frame from Michaels. Just Kate Moss, you know, the OG. And then I have this plant from, I want to say Lowe's or Home Depot or something, that is kind of dying a little bit because I have whatever the opposite of a green thumb is, like a brown thumb. I'm so bad at taking care of plants. But it's in this little pot that I think is also from Home Depot. But I love her, somehow managed to keep her alive for a whole year. So, you know, that's good, I guess. This is my closet. It's a mess right now from taking clothes out for this summer, so I'm not going to show you it. But it's really nothing special. It's basically organized the same as my closet at home. Then we got this little full-length mirror right here, and here's me. Hi guys. And right next to that is my desk, and I am so happy with how this desk space turned out. So here's a little overview. Up top I have another print from Etsy. This actually shipped already printed, and I put it in a frame from Michaels. This is a little bulletin board I got from Target like 3 years ago. I don't know if they still sell it, but then I just have some cute things up there. Dreams don't work unless you do. Just a little reminder to keep studying, even when I feel like, you know, stopping and taking a break. Then I have this cute little plant from Michaels. The jar is also from Michaels. My Google Home, this cute little thing, I think is from TJ Maxx, I'm not really sure. I just keep some random stuff in there. My wallet, my stapler, and my tape dispenser from Kate Spade. This is also from Target, this little lamp. I love her because you just tap her to turn her on and off. My water bottle, computer, phone. This chair is also from Target, so comfy. It's so worth it to have a super comfy study chair. Even if your desk comes with one at the apartment you get at college like mine did, it really increased how much I wanted to study and just like the quality of my studying when I had a comfortable chair and I wasn't constantly trying to shift positions and was uncomfortable because the chair was like, you know, like the wood. It was super hard and just uncomfortable. So definitely worth it to get a chair, even if it's like $10. I think this is like $30, but so worth it. Underneath here, I just want to show you how I did this. Printer, 2 boxes. This is random stuff that you would normally put on a desk, but I really like my desk space nice and clean, as you guys can see, and uncluttered, so I keep extra pens and, you know, whatnot down there. Then right there, that's all my binders and stuff for school. So I have some past things, just if I want to look back at the notes. And then I also have the things, like the binders that I used this past semester. And yeah, so that is my desk. Right next to it are these 2 huge windows. Oh my god, it's not even gonna focus. It's so bright outside. This rod is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and so are the curtains. There's actually 4 curtains, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 because this is such a big window. But I needed it to cover it up because I don't know, it gets super bright. And there's a light right outside, right there, that keeps me up at night if I don't close this. So, you know, it had to be done. Right next to it is my vanity little setup, which is going to have a video coming soon. It might be the next video post, but I'm gonna do a makeup collection. I'm so happy with how this all turned out. I'm just gonna give you a quick little overview. So this is just all what it looks like. I'm gonna link everything in my makeup collection below, but you know, IKEA, hi again. Michaels, random just jars that I already had. Muji, IKEA. This is some random website online. I just Googled ghost chair dupe. Literally, that's what I Googled. Found this chair, ordered it, and it came straight to my house, and I love it. I had it since high school, actually. And then I took it here because I love it so much. So it needed to be in my college apartment. And then here's my bed. And then if you just pan to the right, that's the front door to my bedroom again. And then bathroom door and the bookcase. So this bed is kind of huge. I think it's a it's a double extra long. I'm not really sure. The apartment provides the beds and the desks actually in this apartment, which is so nice. It'll be so much better for moving out. But that's just what that looks like. Love the gravity blanket, my favorite thing on the entire planet. I was gonna end up putting something up there, but I never really found something that I liked enough to put up there, and I kind of like how it's just clean and plain, and I just really wanted my room to be calm. You know, when you're like freaking out about finals and stuff like that, you don't want to be, I don't know, overloaded with things that you're looking at. So like everything is just very clean in my room, and I really like how I ended up setting it up. So we're gonna spin right around and then go into my bathroom just real quick. So it is a little dirty, but this is what it looks like. Hi again, huge mirror. I got this thingy from Bed Bath & Beyond, Lifesaver. So I have my towels, a cute little fake plant. I put my Q-tips and cotton pads, this is gonna focus, right there in these cute little jars, which are from, I think they're from Michaels. And then this is from Target, keep all my medicine inhaler, cause asthma. Tissues, I don't know why I couldn't remember the name. And then here is the shower. And then right here is just towels, which have my face makeup on them, and it's stained. I didn't realize face makeup stains towels. So these poor towels are stained with my face makeup. Moral of the story, I'm never buying light colored towels ever again. But yeah, and then I have my little microfiber cloth to get off my makeup. But is that not wild? I had no idea. Like, I've washed them like 20 times in a row and they still have makeup stains, and I've put bleach and everything. So those poor towels, I don't know what to do about them, but RIP to them. And we're just gonna close this door, and then we're back to the beginning. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and check out my most recent video if you haven't already.